I love the skirt. She is perfect. Even though she's a little bit too short, she's perfect. The only issue I have with it, and the reason why I have not been wearing it, is that it is boring. It is just, it's just preppy. You know, like it's cute, and the triangle waist is everything, but she's just boring, you know? I am not in the business of wasting clothes and letting them sit in a closet just collecting dust and wasting my precious closet space, so we're going to fix her today by making her a little bit more interesting. I've been inspired by all the spiders I've been seeing about Hot Girl Walks because it's autumn and they look so cool. I've been filming and taking photos of them like a little creep, of them just doing their thing. And I'm like, oh, I could just put on the skirt. I've been drawing them with my charcoal pencils and I've been having so much fun. But for the skirt, I thought I could just cut up like their limbs and their bodies and sew it on the skirt, and the distress of the denim will look like the spider hairs. Oh, that's so cool. I'm so excited. I drew up one leg just to see how big I want the design to be, and then just freehanded the rest of it because who has time to measure all that? I pinned all the pieces down and sewed it by hand so that the legs don't move around while I'm sewing them with the machine. It looks kind of stupid now, but when the denim frays, it will look really cool. Here's where we're at. I washed the skirt and now the denim looks more distressed and the spider looks all fluffy and cute. I love how it turned out. I added some white stitching for the spider webs, and now the only thing that's left is the eyelets so that I can put the chain through it. How exciting. To this day, I have no idea how to insert grommets or eyelets or whatever. I kind of just wing it and it turns out okay. It looks a bit rough, but from the front it looks fine. So we're just gonna do that and hope for the best. This is a great after work activity. Very healing, although not the best if you have neighbors downstairs, so sorry neighbors. I put the eyelets in the random places and then took my chain and fed it through all the holes. To secure it, you can use O-rings and that will do if they're bigger than the hole. I only had gold ones, so I didn't use them. So you can also hand sew them down so they don't move around and ruin the design. So it actually turned out so well. I am very happy with the design. The spider is a very subtle detail because the skirt is so dark and the spider is black, but it gives so much interest, and when people come closer, they're definitely going to question it, and I cannot wait to tell them all about it. I saw this top on Pinterest and I fell in love with it because it's so cute, so dainty, very pretty. So I wanted to recreate it with this bodysuit that I thrifted in a car boot sale a while ago. Never wore it because it is a size too small on me, but I can deal with the tightness of it if it's cute enough, right? Because the back is definitely giving because there is no back, right? But the front is boring, and we're going to change that because this is a very easy and quick DIY. It literally will not take longer than half an hour. So let's just do that. So I got her on the mannequin because I don't want to get flagged for inappropriate content, and this is see-through. And also the straps are elastic, so it's a bit easier to work with when they're already stretched out. I got some elastic that I'm gonna make the loops from to feed the ribbon through, and I decided to hand sew it on because I hate myself. This didn't take me that long at all, so that's great. Now I do have a slight change of plan because the ribbon that I have is very thick and that is not gonna look pretty and cutesy, and we don't really want that. So since we can't do that, I thought we should just go edgy. Do you know what I mean? I've got this shoelace that I bought for a different project that I never got to do, so I feel like this would be perfect. Now I'm gonna lace it through in a upside down star kind of pattern, and I think that will look very Tumblr, very 2000 Tumblr, and that's kind of what I'm going for here anyway, so let's do that. So we lace through the middle, going up, make sure that they are equal, right? And then for the top loop, we lace through the top. and then the bottom ones across and lace through the top. Okay, imagine this, but with like a leather jacket, fishnet tights, some stupid ass skirt, and it'll be perfect. Oh, iconic, honestly. I did have another upcycle planned for this video, and I got ready. I did my little clown makeup because the whole bit was that I'm wearing clown makeup because I look like a clown wearing this ugly ass sweater, and guess what? I made it uglier. Which is why I'm not putting that on the internet. I am not sharing that with anyone. It's gonna go in the shame pile where I'm going to reuse it for a different project. Anyway, I'm actually very disappointed in myself, but I didn't cry and call myself a failure this time, so I wanted to share that little progress that I've made in my little head today, because I'm very proud of myself. This video has multiple outfit changes, multiple makeup looks, and multiple days that it took me to film it because I keep losing daylight. And I'm over it, so this video, over. I am sitting very still right now because the cat is sniffing me and I want to show her to you. I am bribing you with cat content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see in my future videos. Yeah.